Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the voice on an Echo Dot. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my Echo Dot, and we're gonna change the voice and also change the accent. So we're gonna do two different things. Let's get right into the video. Now to change the voice, you can do so from the app itself in the device settings menu, or you can just ask Alexa to change the voice for you, okay? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go and ask Alexa to change the voice. First, I'm gonna show you the voice that I have it set on right now, okay? So I'm gonna enable the microphone and show you the voice that it's set on right now. First of all, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:40 p.m.
So now we're going to actually change the voice by asking the person, I'm not going to say the name because it's going to start it up, to do exactly what it said. So we're going to do this. Alexa, change your voice.
Okay, you're all set. I'll be the voice you hear when you speak to this device.
I still get a kick out of that. Every time I still get a kick out of that. So essentially, we just asked Alexa to change the voice, and we got a different voice. There's only two voices. So when you ask Alexa, at least at the time of filming this, there's only two voices. So when you ask Alexa to change the voice, it's just going to go from one to the other, back and forth. And you can do this, you know, many, many different times. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to change the language so that we get an accent. Now, you just heard Alexa speak, so we're going to change the language so we get an accent. So all that we need to do that is the app. I don't believe you can do it through a voice command. I've tried and I could not get it to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to do it through the app. So what I have here is the Amazon Alexa. We're on the home screen there, right over here on my home screen of my sort of a spare phone that I use for videos. I don't even have a SIM card in here. It's just a phone that I use for videos. I'm going to swipe over here and we have the Amazon Alexa app. I'm going to click that right there. It's going to open up. You're going to open up to the home screen most likely. And then we're going to go to the device settings. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to have to hide some of this so I don't show some information that I don't want to display. But I'm going to click devices, and that's going to bring up all of my devices. And I have my Echo Dot right over here. So I'm going to move my phone off the screen, and then I'm going to tap on my Echo Dot, which is this device right here, just because I don't want to show anything that I don't necessarily need to. So we're going to tap on this device on the Amazon Alexa app. So I've now tapped on it. And in the top right-hand corner of that screen, there's actually a cog, like a settings cog. So I'm going to click the settings cog. And then it's, like I said, it still shows the Wi-Fi network. It displays it, so I'm not going to show it. I'm scrolling down, so you can follow along on your own phone. I'm scrolling down, and there's an option that says language. So I'm going to tap on language. And now I will bring the phone back into view because, as you can see, as far as I can tell, there's nothing here that I don't want to show. And, it's nothing, that doesn't really matter anyways. So choose a language to speak with Alexa. So now you're choosing what language Alexa will speak. I have it set to English in Canada because that's where I live. So supported languages means it's fully supported. So English Canada, French in Canada, English and French in Canada, French and English in Canada. Those are all supported because that's where I live, okay? I live in the good old Canada. Now, other languages, it says these languages are not fully supported in your country. Some Alexa features and content may be unavailable. So if you choose these, some things might not work, but for the most part, I believe that most of the languages, most things will be supported. So we're going to scroll down and I'm just going to I'll go to English Australia. I actually have a friend that just moved to Australia a couple years ago. And I still, every time he comes back, I still speak with him and meet up with him. So yeah, we'll try English Australia and dedication to my good old buddy Marco. Okay, so let's tap that. It's just going to say it's not fully supported. Some features may be unavailable. I'm going to hit OK, and then it's going to tell me it's going to take a few minutes. So I can continue using. You can continue using your current language during the update, so it'll still be functional. Alexa will notify you when the new language is ready. So I'm going to hit OK. It doesn't take a few minutes. You can see it literally will just take, like, it's done already. It's finished. Okay, that's how fast it was. So what we're going to do now is we will ask Alexa about the time to hear the new accent. Okay. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:44 p.m.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's change the voice to the other one to hear what it sounds like. Alexa, change your voice, please.
I can't change my voice at this time.
Ooh, okay. So you know what? I guess because of the update on the new language, I can't get the other voice on this language. So I guess that's not supported. You know, I was trying things out for this video and I didn't try that out, but you know what? There you go. So there's one feature that is not supported, at least where I live, but still, nonetheless, still really cool. So we'll do it one more time. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:44 p.m.
That's for you, Marco. That's for you if you're watching this. So anyways, pretty cool feature. You can change the language in terms of the voice or the actual like accent / dialect. And that's how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.